An insurance contract lowers one's consumption in the good state of the world because we have to pay a premium for the insurance contract, and it increases consumption in the bad state of the world because we receive a benefit if the bad state of the world occurs. Thus, an insurance contract lowers the risk that we face. An insurance contract is actuarially fair if it maintains the expected value of the gamble that we're insuring against. In this graph, we'll show that risk-averse individuals will always fully insure if the insurance contracts they're facing are actuarially fair. We begin in panel A by once again replicating panel B from graph 17.1, where my wife faces the $250,000 outcome with probability 0.75 and the $10,000 outcome with probability 0.25. The expected utility of facing this gamble is therefore 32.5, whereas the utility of the expected value of the gamble is equal to 38.5. Now suppose my wife faces an insurance contract that would lower her consumption in the good state to $230,000 and raise the consumption in the bad state to $70,000. In other words, we're lowering her consumption by $20,000 with probability 0.75 and increasing her consumption by $60,000 with probability 0.25. This is actuarially fair because the expected value of the new gamble is exactly as it was before, $190,000. The expected utility of this new gamble is then read off the dashed line that connects A1 and B1 3/4 of the way up towards point A1. It is read off of point C1, which lies above point C and has utility of 36.5, as opposed to the originally expected utility of the uninsured gamble of 32.5. My wife is therefore better off under this actuarially fair insurance contract and would choose it if it was the only contract that was offered.